Hey, what is up guys? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to properly connect your Mio Pai Slice wristband to your phone using Bluetooth. And also, I'm going to be solving all the related issues with when connecting this band to the phone. As you can see in the box, you get a relatively small USB magnetic charger, and you get your Mio Pai Slice wristband, as well as your owner's manuals and so on, which I don't have with me right now. To connect this, to connect to properly set up and connect your band to the phone, you will need a phone. Firstly, to connect it, you will have to go ahead and plug it into your wall outlet using your magnetic charger like this. You can plug it in and then you can connect your Mio Pai Slice wristband to your magnetic charger until it shows up that it is currently charging, like that. Now, in order to get the setup working and started, you have to hold the button for about 7 seconds till you see the screen like this. You have to see a reset screen, otherwise it won't work. As you can see, it gave us the slice logo and it again gave us the battery charging indicator. At this point, your band is fully reset and you can now connect it to your phone from the beginning. Getting back to the phone. You may also want to see this kind of symbol on your band. This means that your band is ready to be connected to your phone and it's ready to be set up. In order to do this, first we are going to go to location and switch it on, and we are going to set the mode to high accuracy, just like this. Agree. I'm going to close all these apps, and we're going to make sure that your wristband is still on this screen. Now we're going to go ahead, we're going to go to the Play Store, and we're going to download the official app for your band, that is Mio Pai Slice or Pi Health. I've already installed it, so I'm going to jump right into the app. We're going to go ahead and click on allow when asked to turn on Bluetooth, and there you go. Now we're going to go on more section, and as you can see, if you have already connected it, you have to forget the device. And if you're buying it for the first time and using it for the first time, you will get an add device. Go ahead and add slice and let it search for your devices. There you go, it has found the device. They're going to go ahead and they're going to allow, and as you can see, it has given an error already. Not to worry, this kind of problem is very common and I'll show you how to recover it in just a second. Let it search for it again, giving it a try. I'm going to go ahead and select slice again. As you can see, it's given another error. Now we're going to exit the app all around together, and we're going to go to Bluetooth, and we're going to go to more settings. We're going to manually select slice to connect to your phone, and we're going to let it pair and turn off Bluetooth. Close the apps, and we're going to start the app again. And again, your Mio Pai band has to be on that particular connecting screen. We're going to allow for Bluetooth, and we're going to go to the more section again. We're going to click on add device, slice, or whichever device yours is. Again, make sure it's on the screen. Let it search for the devices, and boom, it popped up. Make sure it connects. It'll ask you to press me on a device, and as you can see, we have paired. So you're going to press the button. At this point, you can just leave your band aside and wait for your phone to do all the work. As you can see, the device has successfully connected to your phone, and it's a success. This app you can check all your day details, all your calories, and all your daily workouts, and so on. As you can see, if you see in the screen, then that means your phone has successfully paired to it and you can use it. You can check out a personal section. Then here we can check out our device section. There are many number of options to customize your wristband. Again, if your device doesn't connect, in spite of that, you're going to go into settings of the Mio Slice app and I'm going to force stop it, and you have to follow the procedure of connecting it again. Maybe then it will connect. And that's it. That's all you need to know about connecting your MyoPi's Fit band to your phone using Bluetooth. As you can see, the bot connected and so on. Thank you so much for watching.